Your phone just hit the floor. You pick it up, flip it over, and there it is. That spiderweb crack spreading across the screen. And the first thing that goes through your head isn't, "I can fix this." It's, "How much is a new one going to cost me?" That's exactly the moment the phone industry is counting on. Every single time. Right now, a brand new iPhone 15 Pro will run you over $1,400. A Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, over $1,600. And the manufacturers know that when your screen cracks, or your battery dies, or your charging port stops working, most people panic and reach for their wallet instead of looking for a solution. They're betting on it. This channel exists to change that. Welcome to QuicFix. I'm going to show you that almost every problem your phone has, a shattered screen, a dead battery, water damage, a broken camera, has a fix. And that fix costs a fraction of what a new phone does. Now, I'll be straight with you right from the start. I'm not a big company. I don't have a shop with a sign out front and a lineup out the door. I run QuicFix out of my bedroom in St. John's, Newfoundland. It's just me, a workbench, the right tools, and a few years of doing this every single day. And honestly, that's kind of the whole point of this channel. Because the phone repair industry has a reputation problem. People don't know who to trust, they don't know what they're actually paying for, and they have no idea what's happening to their device once they hand it over. I started QuicFix because I wanted to do this differently, transparently, honestly, without the runaround. And this YouTube channel is an extension of that same idea. We've seen phones come through that people thought were completely finished. Phones they were ready to replace. And in almost every case, those phones came back working perfectly, for a fraction of the cost of going to a carrier and signing up for another 2-year contract. This channel isn't just about getting you to send your phone to me, either. It's about giving you real information on your device, whether you repair it yourself, find someone local, or use our mail-in service if you're anywhere across Canada. The goal is always the same: stop replacing what can be fixed. Here's what you're going to get on this channel. We're going to break down the most common phone problems and what actually causes them, so you understand what's going on inside your device instead of just being handed a bill and told to trust the process. We're going to do honest comparisons of new phone releases and give you a straight answer on whether they're actually worth your money. We're going to show real repairs from start to finish, right here at this workbench, so the whole process feels less like a mystery. And we're going to keep coming back to something the phone industry would rather you never think too hard about: the real cost of always buying new. The environmental impact of millions of phones being thrown out every year when most of them could have been repaired. And the fact that the phone already in your hand is probably good for another 2 or 3 years if someone just takes care of it. There's a reason companies like Apple and Samsung have spent years making repairs feel complicated, scary, and not worth the hassle. Because every time you give up on a fixable phone and buy a new one, they win. QuicFix exists because I got tired of watching that happen to people. If you've got a cracked screen sitting in a drawer, a battery that dies by noon, or you're just sick of feeling like your only option is to upgrade, subscribe. We're going to cover everything you need to get more out of the device you already own. And if you ever need a repair done, whether you're here in St. John's or anywhere else in Canada, the link to QuicFix is in the description. Mail-in service, no middleman, no markup. Just a straight fix from someone who actually cares whether your phone comes back right. This is just the start. Let's get into it.